Xiamen Senyang Company Limited was founded by Miss Susan in 2000. Located in Xiamen with convenient transportation access, we are an export-oriented factory. Our products are exported to all over the world with transaction amounts of 40% Europe market, 35% America market, and 25% other overseas and domestic markets. Obtained with ISO 13485 CE 510K certificates. Our top quality earned us good reputation in the field. We specialize in the production and development of two categories of products. The first is to serve disabled patients in bed, including anti-decubitus mattress series and related auxiliary medical products for transferring disabled patients. And the other is sports rehabilitation products, such as air pressure therapy instrument system and other rehabilitation aids. Our company covers an area of 45 acres and a factory area of 25,000 square meters. It has an independent research and development team, automatic cutting equipment, high-frequency equipment, and various sewing equipment, a semi-automatic air pump machine production line, which can produce more than 5,000 pieces air pumps a day, has enough production capacity and storage space to serve high-quality customers all over the world. We sincerely welcome your visit and inquiry. We are confident that you will also enjoy us being your trustworthy supplier, partner, and friend.
Hi, I'm Ruby.
Hi, I'm Tom.
This is Lisa. I'm Tracy. Nice to meet you. I'm Donna. Love you.
I'm Jackie. Senyang. We are one family.
I'm Carter. Very happy working in Xiamen Senyang for 8 years.
We are a lovely and powerful team. Join us.
This is Jason. Welcome to Senyang Medical.